Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and I've cleaned the carpet. Now I'm about to groom it. Although it's a berber, you can see that the pile has been lifted up and moved here and back and forth with the cleaning of the machine. The rotary is very effective at lifting and separating the yarn and pulling up the yarn, as you can see. So the last thing I'm going to do is run the vacuum over it and groom it. So let's see what happens. And this, if you go back to the previous video, this carpet had a whole pile of cat vomit stains on it, but it does appear that they've all come out. So let's we'll go over it with the vacuum and we'll take a look. Carpet is looking really good. There was a bad stain right here, and it's completely gone. It just sort of straightens out the yarn, lays it all even again with the vacuum. The darker patch there because it is damper there where I treated it a little extra. But that will even out when it completely dries. Let's go over here. The nice thing about the olefin is actually the olefin fiber is actually very stain resistant. Usually, its greatest weakness is actually anything oil, because it is an oil-based carpet, so it will tend to absorb oils more readily. But things like cat vomit, or dog vomit, or any vomit, I guess, and urine and everything like that, usually you can get it out pretty easily with the right chemistry, etc. So again, there were some stains over here and they're gone. Looking really good. There's some stains over here and they're gone. I gotta remember to measure that. That last room over there, I didn't measure it before because your daughter was in there sleeping. I remember to add that to the invoice. Otherwise, I'll be doing it for free. Don't want to do that. Another $30 or so, I would guess. Really, well, look how good this is looking. Nice and even. Bad stains that were right at the foot of the bed there, they're gone. I haven't yet dealt with that stain over here. Gotta go and get the VDS and try that on here. I'll do that when I finish the vacuum and come back. It's probably acrylic paint. I have some goof off, which actually works pretty well on paint actually. Again, a couple of really bad marks right over here. They're still a little bit damp. So there's a bit of a darkness appearing there, but the stain itself is actually gone. These are really obvious stains right here. I folded that, pulled it back, so I'm putting the leg on there to make sure it presses it back down again because it was kind of curled up a bit there. In case you're wondering why I just did that. there. That might just be a damp spot, but I mean, there was a stain there that I didn't treat, so it is definitely damp. So it will look a little bit darker. Anyway, I'll hit with the peroxide anyway, just to be safe. I knew that was going to happen. These are damp spots where I treated all these vomit stains, and they should just, as it dries, they should just fade right away. Okay, there we go. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day.